Namaste. Once again, welcome to Raghavendra Yoga channel. I am very happy to introduce anti-aging yogic process for maintaining shine of the skin in the face and preventing wrinkling on the skin before the old age. You should follow some tips. First thing is you should practice meditation daily, 15 to 30 minutes every day without miss. And you should practice Shavasana in the evening. After completing your whole diary, you should practice Shavasana at least 5 minutes a day. Shavasana and meditation is anti-aging and anti-anxiety process in yoga. Very special process. If you utilize, you will be more benefited. First thing. Second thing is, you should aware of your dietary system. I am not telling you to eat your junk food and all. You can have it. Even I am also going to have once in a week or once in a 15 days. Okay, you can have it. Rest of the days, homely food is very good. And next thing, you should have plenty of water. Plenty of water in the sense you should have 2 to 2.5 liters water per day without miss. You can have normal water or lukewarm water, but try to complete 2 to 2.5 liters water per day. Next thing is, you should fast once in a week or once in a 15 days without fail. You should not have anything in the whole day except water for 12 hours or 24 hours according to your ability. You can ask questions in the comment box if you get doubt about all this. And next thing, you should learn to say yourself, that is 3 lines. You should learn to say from bottom of the heart, whatever happen for my good. Next thing is that whatever is happening for my good. Third one, whatever is to happen is also for my good. My mind will ask thousands of questions. Now I am like this, what about my future, what about my future? Learn to say, what's going to happen is for my good only. Facial yoga you can do before go to the sleep or in the afternoon according to your flexibility of time. You should inhale and take the lips front, then count 5, then take it back like this. Inhale and take the cheeks front, count 5, then take it back. You'll apply the fine massage to the face. Next one, you should apply the massage to the upper part of the face. You should open the jaw downwards like this. Inhale and open, count 5, then exhale, come to the position. You should practice 5 times minimum. If possible, you can practice 10 times. Next one, you should massage to the whole face from ears to forehead like this. You know that it is a part of even brain power yoga also. We have many acupressure points in the ears. You should learn to massage it. Next, from jaw, you should start from chin to cheeks slowly. Now you came to cheeks part. Now apply the massage to the nose like this. Now under the eyes, it's very good for dark circle. Then over, then upwards, then massage. Forehead, then come to the neck part. Light pressing. You should practice for 2 to 5 minutes. 2 to 5 minutes. And next thing, you should practice Simhasana. You should fold the legs like this. Left leg should be upwards. So rest your palms on the knee joints. Exhale and stretch the tongue out. Breathe through the mouth. Maintain the vision upwards. Practice for 60 seconds with the deep breathing. Then inhale, come to the Sukhasana pose and relax. Practice, relax fully. Then change the leg. You should do the same. Now right leg is upwards. So rest your palms on the knee joints. Exhale and stretch the tongue out. You should take the tongue out. Breathe through the mouth. Maintain the vision downwards. So you should look at the legs. You should apply the pressure on the upper part of the face. Earlier, you have given pressure to the lower part of the face. Here, upper part of the face will get good exercise and massage. Practice for 60 seconds. Then inhale, come to the resting pose and relax. At the end, you should practice Pavana Muktasana and Shavasana without failure. Practice all this in the sequence and prevent wrinkling on the skin before the old age and maintain the skin shine. And next thing, you should follow the tips which I told you in the beginning. Thank you. We will meet you in the next episode with good yogic topic. Happy time.